children, this is 4th class maths. Previous class we learnt about factors. Today I am going to complete S2 and S3, that is factors of a number, and S3 is factors using multiples. Take out your workbook. S2 factors of a number. Write date 28/9/2020. Okay, here multiplication grid they given children here. With the help of this you have to find out this answer. That is first bit. Find the factor pairs of 3, 7, 21, 32, 40, 45, 72 and 90 using the multiplication chart. See example here they given here. A bit factor pairs of 3. Factor pairs of 3. See you have to find out in the, with the help of this grid. See 3. This 3 is there, no? 1 3s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. 1 3s are 3, 3 1s are 3. This type of multiple are called factor pairs. Okay. Now B bit. Factor pairs of 21. Factor pairs of 21. B bit. Factor pairs of 21. See here 3 7s are 21. 3 7s are 21. Next 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. This is a factor pairs of 21. Factor pairs means 2. Okay, here these two pairs are called factor pairs of 21. Next C bit. Factor pairs of 7. So here 1 7s are 7. 1 7s are 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 1s are 7. Next D bit. Factor pairs of 32. Okay, here 32. 6 7s are. D bit factor pairs of 32. Here see here 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. Okay. Next even factor pairs of 40. Here 4 10s are 40. 4 10s are 40. Next 10 4s are 40. 10 4s are 40. Okay. Now F bit, G bit, H bit, do it your own children. Now second bit, cross out the numbers that are not factors of the given number. See once again I am reading. Cross out the numbers that are not factors of the given number. These are the numbers they given. You have to check out these are the factors. It will comes in this table. You have to check it children. 50. 1 is the factor of 50. Yes. Yes. Yesterday I told 1 is the factor of all number. 2 is the factor of 50. Yes. 3 is the factor of 50. No. 5 is the factor of 50. Yes. 10 is the factor of 50. Yes. 20 is the factor of 50. No. 25 is the factor of 50. Yes. 25 2s are 50. Next 39. 1 is the factor of 50. Yes. Now 2 is the factor of 39. No. 3 is the factor of 39. Yes. 9 is the factor of 39. No. 10 is the factor of 39. No. 13 is the factor of 39. Yes. 13 3s are 39. Okay. 39 are the factor of 39. Now next 61. 1 is the factor of 61. Yes. 3 is the factor of 61. No. 5 is the factor of 61. No. 6 is the factor of 61. No. 10 is the factor of 61. No. 60 is the factor of 61. No. 61 is the factor of 61. Yes. Next 64. 1 is the factor of 64. Yes. 2 is the factor of 64. Yes. 3 is the factor of 64. No. 4 is the factor of 64. Yes. 6 is the factor of 64? No. 8 is the factor of 64? Yes. 12 is the factor of 64? No. This bit 70 you have to find out, children. Do it your own. Now S3, factors using multiples. Write date here, children. First bit, find the factors of the given number. Previous class I showed children how to find the factors of given number. Here 12 they given. You have to find out one table will get, no children. 1 12s are 12. Next 2 6s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Then next 4 3s are 12. 6 2s are 12. 12 1s are 12. So what are the factors of 12 here? 1 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. Next B bit. Now find 8. What are the factors of 8? 1 8s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 3 is the factor of 8? No. 4 is the factor of 8? Yes. 4 2s are 8. 5 is the factor of 8? No. 6? No. 7? No, children. Next 8. 8 1s are 8. So I showed here arrow mark, children. You have to write factors of 8 are start from 1, 2, 4 and 8. You have to write like this, children, serial. So next C bit. What are the factors of 30? 1 is the factor of 30? Yes. 1 into 130s are 30. 2 is the factor of 30? Yes. 2 15s are 30. 3 is the factor of 30? Yes. 3 10s are 30. 5 is the factor of 30? Yes. 5 6 are 30. Next 6 table? Yes. 6 5s are 30. Next 7? No, children. 8? No. 9? No. Next 10 3s are 30. Next 11, 12, 13? No. 14? No. 15? Yes. 15 2s are 30. After 15 direct 31s are 30. So factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Okay. D and E bit you do it your own, children. Next F bit, you will find the factors of 48. 1 48s are 48. 2 is the factor of 48. Yes. 2 24s are 48. 3 is the factor of 48. Yes. 3 16s are 48. 4, yes. 4 12s are 48. Next 5, no. 6, yes. 6 8s are 48. Next 7, no. 8 8 6 are 48. 9 10, no, children. 11, no. 12 4s are 48. Next 13, no, children. 15, no. 16 3s are 48. Next direct 24 2s are 48. Then last 48 1s are 48. So factors of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. Now second bit, find the common factors of the numbers. First number factors, second number factors, common factors. See first one A, 12. First you write they given here example. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, factors of 18 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. You know, children, factors of 18 means these tables, in this table 18 will goes. Okay. In this common factors, which are the common factors here? 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6 are the common factors. In B, next B1, 9. What are the factors of 9? 1, 3, 9. In 27, what are the factors of 27? 1, 3, 9 and 27. So, which is the common factors? 1, 3, 9 are the common factors. Next C bit, 14. What are the common factors of 14? 1, 2, 3, will not get. 4, 5, 6, no. 7, yes, 7 to the 14. Next 14. Next 21. So common factors of 20 factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. So which is the common factors, children, here? 1 and 7. 1 and 7 are the common factors. Now D bit you do it your own, children. Next third bit. Which number will you multiply with 35 to get the double of the product of 35 and 5? So first we'll find, children, here. First double of the product of 35 and 5. Okay. How first we have to multiply 35 and 5. Then we what answer will get? No, for that answer you have to make it double. So product of 35 into 5 is equal to 175. So double of product. Double means what you have to do, children? For this you have to multiply 2 with the 2. 2 into 175. So 2 into 170 is product is 350. Okay, this answer we got, children. Double of the product of 35 and 5. Again you are asking which number will you multiply with 35. So forget you 350. Okay. Which number will you multiply with 35 to get 350? So now we have to check with which number will you multiply with 35 to get 350. Okay, children, as you know, for example, 1 into 10 is equal to 10, 2 into 10 is equal to 20, 16 into 10 is equal to 160, 25 into 10 is equal to 250. So which number will multiply, children, to for 35 to 35? So we multiply 10 to 35 to get 350. So 35 into 10 is equal to 350 is the answer. Okay, children. Hope you all understood. Complete your workbook. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.